Hi there, I'm Andrew Gainsbury, Rolling Stock Strategy Manager at TFW. It's really nice to be introducing this high quality intercity service back again, and the Mark IVs are definitely a step up from the Mark IIIs that were previously operating, with a lot higher standard of comfort and bringing back a more comfortable first class seats and the full catering offering. We're really excited to announce the fact that we've taken ownership of a further 13 Mark IV vehicles, and they're going to enable us to really enhance the service between South Wales and Manchester, again introducing the really high standard of first class and standard class accommodation. These trains that we've been lucky enough to acquire have actually been fully overhauled recently, so will require relatively little work to go straight into service.